The sun surrenders to the violet line, a toxic beauty in the grand design. We wake up when the world has gone to sleep, to harvest secrets that the shadows keep. It isn't safe, but oh, it feels so right to chase the phantom colors of the night. No photosynthesis, we need no ray. We burn much brighter than the light of day. Can you see the veins of neon blue running through the leaves and running through you? Don't resist the urge to take it slow. Let the intuition overflow. Lost inside the nightshade glow.